in southern Albania is one of the last river systems that are fully intact. So not only the Vjosa is free-flowing, but the whole network, so including the tributaries that run into it and the tributaries that go into the tributaries. It's like a functioning artery network of your body, something like that. And that is absolutely a gift to Europe. And it was for us all a surprise that this is still existing, that survived the decades and the centuries of river destruction. And now this can become a lighthouse project for whole Europe. It's the first European Wild River National Park. I think it belongs to all of us, but giving also an example that we, should protect rivers on a very large scale, wherever it's possible. Let's protect that is what is still left. And B, where they're already damaged, which is mostly the case, we need large-scale river restoration projects. We need to give the channelized rivers more space.